This website is Viral Content Buzz, and as you can see on the home page, it enables you to have your content shared by influencers for free. So basically, it's a share-for-share network across a variety of social media networks: Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and StumbleUpon. So you can share other people's content, earn points, and then they will share your content the same way. So if we head on over to the members area, what we can see is a dashboard that has a bunch of different articles or content. As we scroll down, there are different content, and each content has share buttons, as you can see: Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, etc. Now, the way this works, it's dead simple, is that when you actually sign up, you go into your settings and your profile, and all you'll do is link up your social media accounts for these websites. And you'll also select some categories that you're interested in from the list here on the left hand side. So personally, I clicked on affiliate marketing, business, sport, infographics, but you can select whichever category your niche is in. And when you log in, these actual content articles will be related to the categories that you've selected. So all you do is, if you find any good content that you'd like to share with your social media followers, you simply just click on the link, share it, and then you will receive points for that, or credits as they're called. So at the moment I have 10 credits, which is what you get by default when you sign up. So but if I was to share these stories, I would receive more credits. Okay, now all you can do is transfer those credits into a project, which is basically content like this of your own. So you just click add project, you type in the URL that you want to promote, which could be, you know, a blog post, squeeze page, or whatever, a title, and then the description, which is basically the content of your post. It's that simple. And then you'd select the groups that it's related to. So if other people have selected those groups, your content, your post would show on their dashboard. Now the way it works is that you have a budget for your project, which is based on how many credits you have in your account. So the more credits you have, the longer you can place your project in front of people, because your credits will get used up when people share your content. So it's really that simple. As you can see by clicking here how the credits work, if someone has 100,000 followers on Twitter and they tweet your post, that will be 5 credits. If someone has only 500 followers, that's only going to be 1 credit. So basically it's going to cost you more credits from your budget if people with more followers actually share your content. So really simple, guys. It's just share for share, and all you need is an active social media account on one of these networks to get started.